riding backwards. Uh-oh.
She's lucky I stopped that. Emmy's lucky I stopped that.
I think you're lucky.
No. Here, get your bike out of the way, lady.
Whoop!
She came off.
Broke it.
Broke the bike.
Wipe it on me, that's okay. I wipe my nose on you, I can wipe my hands on you.
Ready, Lily?
Is that right?
3.
Huh? Is that right? We wipe our nose, we wipe our
Start over. I have to get a complete one.
I'm going to have a nice warm bubble bath.
Yep.
Hmm?
I wonder if they'd like that spaghetti sauce. I bought a whole bunch of noodles and
Yeah, let's have that.
they didn't have the wheat ones, but they had those.
Watch out, Cha-Cha. Here she comes. Dang.